Second arabesque. Gallop through first, up to fifth, dropping into fourth arabesque, and you get a cabriole right there while you're turning. Gallop. That with the cabriole. Gallop. Right there. Then it would go da-da. Then you go step, jeté, step, jeté, turn, step, brisé, jeté, step, rond, battement, kick through, step, jeté, step, kick through. Then it would go from here, da. Then step, step, and jeté from first here into attitude. Then you step across, step, step, there.